for the year 2013.
It is my pleasure to invite Dr. Zakir Naik on the stage. Welcome, Dr. Zakir Naik.
The Sharjah Award for the year 2013, that is 1434 Hijri.
It's a great pleasure and honor for me.
The Sharjah Award for Voluntary Work Committee under the patronage of Sheikh Dr. Sultan bin Muhammad Al Qasimi, member of the Supreme Council of UAE and ruler of Sharjah, has appreciated Dr. Zakir Naik's voluntary services to Islam
It is the glorious Quran.
and will be conferring Dr. Zakir Naik with the Sharjah Award for Voluntary Work for the year 2013, that is 1434 Hijri, at a ceremony at the Al Razi Hall, University of Sharjah, UAE, on 15th Rabiul Awwal 1435 Hijri, that is Thursday, 16 January 2014 at 9:30 a.m.
It's a great pleasure and honor for me to be awarded the Islamic Personality of the Year 2013.
Dr. Zakir Naik was presented the Dubai International Holy Quran Awards Islamic Personality of the Year 2013 by Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Vice President of UAE and ruler of Dubai, on 29 July 2013 in Dubai, UAE.
Please join me in welcoming Dr. Zakir Naik to the stage. Dr. Zakir Naik.
He was also presented the prestigious Government of Malaysia's international level Toko Mal Hijrah Award 2013, that is Hijri 1434, for significant service and contribution to the development of Islam worldwide.
After a span of about 11 and a half years. And it's a pleasure for me to be back in KL, in Kuala Lumpur.
By the King of Malaysia, Agong Yang di Pertuan Tuanka Abdul Halim Muazzam Shah, and the awards citation by the Prime Minister of Malaysia, Dato Seri Muhammad Najib bin Tun Haji Abdul Razak, on 5th November 2013 in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Dr. Zakir Naik conferred the Sharjah Award for the year 2013.